Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We will need a screwdriver and the new motherboard. First, we turn off the printer from the back. We remove the film to access the brackets. We remove them by unscrewing the screws. We unscrew the screws from the rear panel and remove it. We unscrew the screws from the inner panel and remove it. We take a photo to remember where all the connections go. We proceed to disconnect all the cables. We unscrew the motherboard and remove it. We place the new motherboard. We start reconnecting all the connections. Now we put both panels back in place. We turn on the printer.